Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Animal tissue. Animal tissues can be classified into four basic groups. 1. Epithelial or covering tissue, include A. Simple, squamous, cuboidal, columnar. B. Stratified, squamous, pseudostratified columnar. Two. Connective or supporting tissue, A. Loose connective, B. Dense connective, C. Cartilage. D. Bone, E. Blood. Quiz time. How many did you get right? 3. Muscle or contractile tissue. 3. Muscle or contractile tissue, A. Smooth, B. Skeletal, C. Cardiac. 4. Nervous tissue. 4. Nervous tissue, A. Sensory, B. Motor, C. Relay. 'Each tissue type is assembled from individual cells that determine the structure and the function of the tissue. Quiz time. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.